of Adi Elvich UKG Marada Center. Our journey with Sam Kids has started past 4 years since 2017 when Adi was doing his PG. Due to this pandemic situation, Adi is now attending his online classes. According to us, Sam Kids are doing their best to make the classes more live and productive. And teachers are giving a detailed virtual classroom for both live and pre-recorded sessions. And of course, the last session, the Q&A, is really useful, which makes the kids more interactive. And of course, we take this opportunity to thank Sam Kids, the effort they have put forward for our kids. Thank you, Sam Kids. Keep going.
How are you?
Just fine. Howdy, how do you do? Hello, good day.
An example for this triangle. Anybody out there? Sandwich. You can say that. What was that? Say Yes.
No, this is small one. So I shall go here.
Emotions are coming out, right? Yes, today we are going to learn about emotions.
You have to take a cutout of the leaves like this. Take a cutout of your hand like this.
Yes, and now I'm going to ask you some questions. Are you ready? Yes.
Look, a small flower. Huh? Yes.
Okay, fine. Today we are going to learn about body parts. Okay. How many eyes do you have? How many eyes? Touch and show me your eyes. A handprint. Okay, handprint. We are going to make flowers. Thank you.
Here we go, loopy light. Here we go, loopy loo. On a Saturday night. Goodbye, everyone. It's time to say goodbye.
Hi all, I am Anila Dennis. I am mother of Eden Dennis. My kid is studying at Sam Kids International School. At this crucial time of coronavirus, I would like to thank Sam Kids International School and its management for providing education digitally. They have prepared their curriculum in such a way that the kids are really enjoying the classes while they are staying at home. The classes are very interactive and the kids used to enjoy the classes. They used to get their daily homeworks and weekly assessments. These weekly assessments have been submitted through online and teachers used to assess them. These classes are very beneficial for our kids. Once again, I'm thanking the school management and his teachers for their wonderful support during these tough times. Thank you all.
Hi, I'm Saina Nissar, mother of Rida Zain Nissar from KG1. This is just a small appreciation with you. As we have completed first successful month of e-learning in Sam Kids, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the principal, administration, management, teachers and all those who are constantly working behind the camera to deliver the best. As my child is new to the world of learning, I was very much excited and curious on how the online session works. I doubt whether it will be effective on my kid. And thanks to Sam Kids for making a fun, enriched, activity-based online sessions. My heartfelt thanks and a big salute to everyone for making it possible and taking it positively. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe and feel the difference.
Hello everyone, my name is Rohit. My daughter is Arushi and she is in UKG. As all of you know, with the present situation of COVID and the present lockdown, it's been a very tough choice in choosing a school for our kids. Sam Kids' reputation and the curriculum has made the choice actually very easy for us. Their online classes actually started 2 weeks back and it's been a delight. Our daughter thoroughly enjoys it and we also feel that the classes have been, it's short, it's concise and it's very easy to understand for the kids. Overall, we feel that choosing Sam Kids was the best decision that we could take for our daughter. Thank you for everyone at Sam Kids, the staff, the teachers, and for making all of this possible. Stay safe.
Hi, I'm Dr. Daya Koshi, mother of Sean Alexander Varki from Alva Sam Kids. My son has been attending the online Zoom classes arranged by Sam Kids for the past 3 weeks. I'm so happy to see how excited Sean is to sit for these classes. Actually, I wasn't very sure if he would be interested to sit for these virtual classes, and if he would be interested to sit in front of the laptop, although it's just a matter of half an hour. But I'm so impressed to see how well the teachers attract these kids and make them sit. In this time where everything is unpredictable, especially how this academic year will come to an end, I'm so glad the Sam Kids came up with this idea of online classes so that the kids are in touch with some kind of knowledgeable activities every day. I also like the weekly worksheet they send us to keep our little ones engaged, and I see that the kids really like to do them. So thank you so much, Sam Kids. I really appreciate the hard work behind this, and I really thank each and everyone who's behind this. Thank you so much. Keep up your good work.
Hi everyone. First of all, I would like to appreciate the efforts taken by the entire Sam Kids team and the teachers for this online classes, because it is too difficult to take the classes without the students just facing the camera. It is really because for the kindergarten students it will be too difficult, but the teachers are very kind, very patient, and very understanding. They are really caring the children. They are taking care of all the children. Because a lot of students are there, so they are giving a lot of care for the children. So I really appreciate that, and I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate all the entire staff of Sam Kids, and congratulations, and thank you very much.
100% satisfied about Sam Kids, because as a mother I want to give my child the best things. I'm happy and satisfied because I give my child the best quality of education through Sam Kids. Nowadays, in this pandemic situation, they are providing a good quality of education, like through the online session. And also there is a pre-recorded session that's really helped the child to recap. Thank you so much, Sam Kids, for giving my child a wonderful and enjoyable learning experience.